Welcome to my show from La Compañía de Casas. My name is Maritza Rodriguez. I have the knowledge for real estate for more than 20 years, selling houses, listing them, apartment buildings, 1031 exchanges. Today we're going to talk about statistics about real estate in the year 2008 and 2009, which right now is affecting a lot of you. So I thought I was going to give you some knowledge what you need to do, because I know a lot of you either are losing your home, waiting to buy a house, or want to refinance or do an exchange. Well, the time right now is not to buy. Right now, still you'll see a few properties that the bank is taking. A lot of them are called short sales. Short sale is like when somebody owes more than what the property is worth. Especially here right now, and this year the properties went down probably close to 60%. Some other people are waiting, so it goes lower than 50, which is going to happen on 209. At the end of 209, close to 210, you're going to be able to see properties from the bank, from 5 properties to 10 properties, which you can choose. So some of you, if you can wait, great. Or some of you can work out something with the short sales. But I've been doing some short sales this year, and they're being very difficult because some of the owners, they don't only have a one loan. They do have 2 loans, so you have to deal with 2 different banks. The first bank might work with you, but the second bank, usually they don't care. So a lot of us real estate agents, we've been just wasting our time doing that. But sometimes it works with one bank. Let's say that the property was worth $500,000 and now it's for sale for $300,000. So the bank has to forgive $200,000. If it's only one bank, they'll do it. So most of you can do that, because I don't think, depending on the area, you know, if it's on the beach area, it's not going to go very low, right? Because in real estate it's location, location, and location. So my advice to you, the ones that they totally can't wait to buy a property, you can choose one of them. But be sure that when you find that property, be sure that it only has one loan. You can ask the real estate agent, or you can find somebody like me, and we'll be happy to let you know, because those properties you can work with a bank. And also you have to have your credit ready, because the bank doesn't want to be wasting more time, and probably the owner, right, is ready to move on, which is going to cost him a little bit, not bad credit, but it's going to cost him. Most people think because the bank is going to forgive $200,000. No, that is going to be considered as a gain, capital gain. When he does the income tax, you're going to have to see that you have to report $200,000 as your income. Most agents won't tell you that. They say, no, the bank is going to forgive. Yes, but you're going to sign a paper that is going to be sent to the IRS, and you're going to have to pay the difference of what you're selling your property and what you owe. A lot of you don't understand that. I am not the expert in that, but you can ask somebody that specializes in taxes. But for a fact, I know that that is going to happen. Especially also, let's say that you had also a second trustee. A lot of you did that because the line of credits. I get a lot of people that call me that they want to refinance, but they have a first and a second trustee. That is not working right now, my friends. I got to tell you, those are bad news. If you have a second trustee, it's only interest only. Most of you know that. So right now is not the time to do a refinance, because the properties are worth, as I told you, around 60% of what they were a couple of years ago. So people that want to refinance, they're going to have to wait. Or unless your loan to value is around 60%. Right now you can find excellent interest rates, around 6% or lower, fixed rate. And if you want much lower, of course, you can buy the points down. You can ask the bank if you can do that. Of course, it's going to cost you money, but at the long time, it's better that you do that instead of paying the high mortgage. So my friends, I'm just giving you an idea of what to do on 208. Of course, you can find also properties that they're on the market, that they've been on the market for almost a year. Some of the sellers right now are getting it, right? It's difficult. Let's say you have that property that you bought $500,000 and now it's worth less than that. So it's difficult on your head to accept that now